Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to a new day of daily updates on all of the major dollar pairs. Starting off with DXY on the daily time frame, that's our break of structure with our swing low and our swing high. We were still favouring this low within this overall impulse to get taken before seeing that further upside continuation. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we've had a break of structure in towards the downside over here. So this is our swing low and this is our swing high. We've come up and we've liquidated this high. We've also tapped into this gap that was left over the weekend, which did initially give a reaction in towards the downside. We did say yesterday that this is expected, but we are looking for that one more drive in towards the upside to maybe completely fill this gap, make a connection with this supply zone before looking for another leg in towards the downside to take out the daily point of liquidity. What this means on Euro USD, as you can see, we are bearish with a break of structure, and that's our current swing range. We've liquidated this high, and we've since seen a bearish reaction from it, which could be the sign that we are ready to target this weak swing low. However, I would like to see this high here get taken, as these are all descending highs and nothing's too clean. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is internally we are now a bearish. We've had our 4-hour swing break of structure over here. So this is my swing high, and over here is my swing low. But as you can see, this internal trend that was pushing price in towards the upside has had a break of structure here in towards the downside. If we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, what this will be is a 1-hour trend change, which we can see we have had a break of structure in towards the upside, followed by a break of structure in towards the downside. So now based off of this structure here, I'm potentially eyeing up a short from one of these points of liquidity to target further down to take out the daily point of liquidity on Euro USD as well. If we go on to GBP USD, we can see that we've had our break of structure in towards the upside. So we've got our swing high and our swing low. We've come down and we've liquidated one of the lowest points of liquidity within this overall impulse before then switching bullish on the lower time frame. However, with the weak pound news and the strength in the dollar in the last week, we have seen a change in the 4-hour trend from being bullish to now being bearish. As you can see, we did have a bit of a strong close yesterday, and I am still anticipating another downside push, but I would like to see some points of liquidity get taken. Maybe on the 1-hour, a liquidation of this high here or this high here before then seeing that drive in towards the downside.